What is good, guys? It is the 23rd of January, and I will be going over how I lost 588 bucks today. Now I'm back down. I'm below the 50K mark on my trade on my funded account. The trade was really it was so good. It was so good. I got swept out though, and then shot up to my TP. But I'll go into it right now. Hold on. All right. So to get into it, I didn't have a clear bias. This is a lot to look at. Let me go and replay. Let me hide this. So I didn't have a clear bias as we were consolidating in this area, this new week open gap. Same with ES, just consolidating in this new week open gap. We have this unfilled 4 hour gap though. So that was that was the target of liquidity for today, is what it seems like. Um Let me pull up my drawings now. So we have hour gap right here that we've been bouncing off of. Let me Hour gap that we've been bouncing off of. We come down, create a SMT, create another SMT, all to the upside. All good. We have high time frame SMTs. We are targeting this 4 hour gap. That's our target of the day. Come down to lower time frame. We were consolidating in this hour gap, or this. We were bouncing back and forth. That was the 30-minute. Off of this 15-minute and this 15-minute. So I was like, okay, we could, whichever one gets respected, we're going to probably continue up. So we inverse the 15-minute. Scroll down. We have inversion with a big push up. We close the hour candle right here. Or right here, I mean. Right here is where we close it. So we come up. We have this gap in the market, which was most likely to get targeted, and it did. We have this 5-minute gap. This is the trade I took. We tap into it. Inverse, pretty clean. 4.75 wick. 17-point wick body. I enter. Off rip, it's going down, and I'm like, okay. I hope that we form an SMT at these lows, which we end up doing before this. We formed a SMT, and then we come down and we sweep this low, and we tap into this news opening, this news drop opening. That's what I'm gonna call it. I don't know what it's called. And then we fucking skyrocket to my take profit. I'm not upset though, because the trade, my bias was correct. My bias was correct. I understood what happened. Everything played out. Everything would have played out perfectly if only we didn't come and sweep this. It is what it is, though. I'm back down on the account. I'll pull it up for y'all. And I was risking 10 units, 10 contracts, because I've been back testing, and tighter stop loss, more units, more contracts, push up more. Quick exit enter. So here's the data. This is the data. Let me pull this up. Let me pull up my analytics. 570 is how much I lost. Fees. It was like $11.20. Or not 11. $18.20. So, but it's all good. It is all good because there's always the next week. I do need to start playing more into, like, not into, but I need to start being a bit more risky. We have FOMC Wednesday, and then we have PPI Friday. So I might try and pass the account on FOMC. Not gonna lie. And yeah, we'll just see what happens, honestly. I'm gonna come into it with a fresh mind, open head, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's how I lost $588 today. It's all good though. You win some and you lose some. Yesterday was a mistake. I followed my rules though and didn't take another trade. Should have though. Didn't There was nothing else that presented itself today. And even if it did, it was after market, after New York session. I mean, I definitely could have taken a continuation trade. There was definitely some of that. We were respecting some 1 minute gaps and all that, but I'm sticking with my rules. And yeah, that's it. Peace out.